Welcome back to my channel, guys. Before I start working on the Toyota, please help me subscribe to my channel, click that bell notification so every time I have new video you guys will be updated. But I'm working on a 2020 Toyota Corolla. So right now the car is having a problem with the engine mount. So when I checked it, when I drive it, I test drive it and put it into gear. So when I shift into gear, the engine would, I don't know if you can hear it, it's very like vibrating. And then when I shift it into gear, I can feel the car jerking. You see that? You see the engine kind of jump backward, forward like that. Yep, I feel it a little bit right there. When I put into gear, especially reverse or drive, the car would like have that vibration sound. So how you check it is that you need two people. So you're gonna have your foot on the brake and then shift it into reverse or drive and then tap on the gas, and then you're gonna feel the engine jumping forward and backward, and have the other person outside check for which engine mount is bad. I found this one, the transmission mount is bad. So just basically like that, hold the brake down, put in drive, tap it, and then put in reverse, tap it. There you go. You can hear that clunking noise. Let me do it again. Let me try to do it again for you. There you go. Very clearly. There you go. Now to get to the transmission mount, I took out the battery, and you're gonna get to the tray. There's three 12mm bolts. So 1, 2, and 3 down here. That's 12mm bolts. And then for the computer harness bracket right here, there's a 10 right here, and then there's another 10 right here. So after you take that out, you're gonna get to the back here. For the harness right here, just press on this tab right here. See this tab? Press on this and pull up. It's gonna sit on the bracket right here. After you took out the tray, you're gonna get to the transmission mount. This is the transmission mount right here, this whole piece. But before you take it out, you're gonna put the jack with the piece of wood under the transmission, and you're gonna have it lift up, make contact with the tranny a little bit. So lift it up slightly, so when you take this out, it'll sit down to the jack. The jack under the transmission, so I'm gonna kind of push it, raise it up a little bit to lift up the tranny. So I'm gonna, there you go. Just kind of lift up a little bit, and then I can hit the 312mm, the 14, the 314. So there's one here, one on the side, one up here, one here, and one down here. Now I got all the bolts on the one on the body frame already, so I'm gonna take this one out. There you go. And then I'm gonna shoot the 312mm. Transmission is gonna drop a little bit. It's gonna sit on the jack. There you go. You can see it slightly drop a little bit. That's okay. There you go. And you can see, take this piece out. There you go. You can see it's completely broken. You can see completely broken. That's why when you shift into gear, the engine just jump forward, backward, and then when it's on idle, you can hear the vibration. This thing is broken, completely broken. So it's just vibrating in here, and then when you shift into gear, it's just gonna jump like this. So we found out the problem right here. I have my new mount here. This is the part number. The mount's gonna cost you $200, but I bought it my price, $130. And here's the thing I noticed: the new mount comes with this bolt holding on to this this bushing right here, the one that mounted on the tranny, the 3-bolt mount on the tranny. You can see the bolt holding the mount right here. Now I put all the bolts in, finger tight and everything. Make sure everything's lined up. Before you tighten down the mount, jack up the transmission a little bit, because you don't want the transmission mount to hang down too much like this, too much pressure, too much tension. So you want to raise it up a little bit where it's kind of flat. This part is flat, and then you can tighten it down. So for the back, you can already tighten it, but I just want to tighten it again. You can tighten it to 40 foot-pound. I'll switch my 12. I'm gonna tighten my two frame bolt on the side right here, this one and this one. I'm gonna use a wrench to tighten it, and then I'm gonna tighten this one last. So after all the bolts in, everything line up, I'm gonna tighten this so it squeezes into the mount. I have my one last bolt on top right here. There you go. Tighten all the other one already, tighten this bolt already. So now I can lower my jack. Go. That's perfect. Now I got everything back to normal already. Put back my 10mm for the computer connector, the tray, battery, reconnect my battery terminal. Everything looking good and beautiful. Now I'm gonna start the car. Now I'm gonna test the transmission mount again. Turn off my AC. So I'm gonna put into reverse. Very smooth, no more vibration noise, no more. You can feel it before, but now it's so smooth. When I shift to gear to reverse to any other gear, with the bad training before, it jumps back and forth, but now it's so smooth, a lot better. No more vibration. Reverse again, drive. I'm gonna give it a little rev. I have my foot on the brake and gas it a little bit. So much better. No more clink noise. So before with the bad tranny mount, I have my foot on the brakes and then I gassed it, and then the engine would jump back and forth. Now it's just so smooth, much better. Yep, it's a lot smoother. But that's it, guys. Just a transmission mount. So if you guys new to my channel, please help me subscribe. If you guys have any question, comment down below. Ask me anything you want to ask me. I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. But I'm out. Peace.